Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today, I will be featuring our 11 large skillet to prepare our delicious veggie fritters. And, of course, our #1 kitchen helper, which is our Saladmaster food processor to slice our vegetables. Our ingredients are zucchini, 1 whole carrots, sweet potatoes. We also have 2 pieces of eggs, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 2 green onions, 1/4 cup of our feta cheese, and 1/4 cup of our flour. Now let's start cooking. First, we are going to shred all of our vegetables. To start, we're going to be using again cone #1, and we're not going to peel because that's where all the goodness is. We wash it really good, okay? So here's your zucchini. You can actually just use zucchini if you don't have carrots and sweet potatoes. But I'm just using more orange in our fritters because remember, orange is rich in beta-carotene. And of course, good for your eyesight. Look at that. We're still using the same cone, which is cone #1. All right, and then we have our sweet potato. Just combine all of them. See how easy you can prepare and shred all of your vegetables using our Saladmaster food processor. Again, your kitchen is not complete if you don't have this beautiful Saladmaster food processor. Okay? So now all we need is to combine all of our ingredients. But first, of course, when we're frying, we need to make sure we preheat our skillet. So I'm going to preheat this in medium heat. All right, and now we're ready to combine our ingredients. First, with our eggs, two whole eggs, and then your parsley. Just dump all of the ingredients. Your green onions, your feta cheese, and of course, your all-purpose flour. And all we need to do now is to combine all of our ingredients. Look at that. Smells really good. You can add a little bit of salt if you want to. And then we are ready to fry our veggie fritters. Okay, now let's check if our large skillet, our 11-inch large skillet is ready to fry by testing it with a little bit of water. We all know that when the water starts bouncing like a pearl, look at that. That's perfect to start frying your eggs. And of course, tonight we're going to be doing our fritters. And we're going to spray a little bit of olive oil. All right? So we're going to scoop a little bit here. Okay? I think for this, we can actually have at least 4 small batches. Okay, I'm just going to reduce the heat a little bit there. All right. And then we're going to cover it for like about 3 minutes. And then we're going to open it and flip our fritters. And we can cook the rest of the mixed veggies. Okay, we're gonna cover. Smells really good. It's about 2.5 minutes already, so we can actually check our fritters if they are ready to flip. Look at that. I can smell. It's really good. Look at that. And then you flip. Wow, just perfect. This is great for your breakfast, for snacking. Okay. And then we're going to cook the rest. Look at that. Smells so good. And then you cover it again and leave it for about 90 seconds. And your first batch of veggie fritters is ready. Okay, 90 seconds are up. So we are ready to check with our veggie fritters. Look at that. It's done in no time. Then you have a very nice and delicious breakfast. And you know what? You can actually prepare any condiments on the side. What I do is I use my apple cider vinegar with a little bit of ground pepper, a little bit of salt, or maybe put a little bit of ginger for some, and then you can also add a little bit of garlic. And then your veggie fritters are ready to serve. Yummy! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Saladmaster. Stay amazing!